Let's begin by focusing on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the air as it enters your lungs, filling you with a sense of calm. Inhale deeply and exhale all your worries. Continue to breathe slowly and naturally, letting go of any tension with each breath out. As you breathe, imagine a wave of relaxation washing over you with each inhale and with each exhale. Feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of peace. Now let's move through a gentle body scan, bringing awareness to each part of your body. Start with the top of your head. Notice any sensations, any tightness or warmth. Now release any tension you find, allowing your scalp to relax completely. Move down to your forehead. Let it soften. Your eyes, let them rest easily in their sockets. Your cheeks, your jaw. Release any tightness, letting your face become smooth and at ease. Feel this relaxation move down to your neck and shoulders. Allow your shoulders to drop, feeling lighter and more at ease. Now bring your attention to your arms, feeling them grow heavy and relaxed. Down to your hands, let go of any tension, feel your fingers loosen and rest. Shift your focus to your chest. Feel it rise and fall with your breath. Soften your belly, let it be at ease. Move down to your hips, feeling any tension dissolve. Your thighs, your knees, your calves, let them all release and relax. Finally, bring your awareness to your feet. Feel the connection to the ground beneath you. Let any remaining tension melt away. Now, I invite you to imagine yourself in a place of complete peace and serenity. Perhaps it's a sunlit forest with tall trees gently swaying in the breeze and soft light filtering through the leaves. Or maybe it's a quiet beach where the waves gently kiss the shore and the sound of the ocean soothes your mind. Wherever you choose, take a moment to fully immerse yourself in this place. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Hear the sounds of nature around you. And breathe in the fresh, calming air. This is your safe space. a sanctuary of peace that you can return to whenever you need. As you rest in this peaceful place, take a moment to affirm these positive truths to yourself. I am calm. I am at peace. I am grounded. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud, letting them resonate within you, anchoring you in a deep sense of tranquility. Slowly, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the surface beneath you, the air around you. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes gently, bringing life back into your body. When you're ready, take one more deep breath and slowly open your eyes. Carry this calm with you as you move through the rest of your day. Remember, peace is always within you, waiting to be found.